Hey, what's up guys? Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, I got this free to fly. This is a 1/22 scale, two-wheel drive little RC car. It's full proportional, and it says that it's a little monster truck, high speed, but we'll see right after this. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's the little car. It looks like it has 3 clips on here. If you guys can see this, you can unscrew these and pull the body off, which you don't need to because the battery just goes down here and it just clips right on to a JST. The cool thing about this, guys, is that it does come with 2 9-volt batteries, so you'll have 2 9-volt batteries, so that way you got a spare battery for the controller. You got your JST USB charger here, so it does come with the charger. And believe it or not, guys, this is awesome. It comes with 2 batteries. These right here are 4.8 volt, 400 milliamps. So that is awesome. A lot of companies don't do that anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and plug in the battery here underneath, and then I'm going to let my little girl go for a little run so you guys can see how well it does for adults and for a 5-year-old, you know. Like I said, this is from Amazon, so I'll leave the link of the company in the descriptions down below, guys. So let's go and get this thing ready and go for a run. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go, guys. I just turned on the car. I didn't put the screw back in there. We'll see how it does. If I go and hit too many bumps, this pops off, then you probably want to put the screw back in the cover. So I went ahead and turned it on. Gonna go ahead and turn on the, there we go. It's not gonna be very fast, guys. This is just for kids, so just to let you know. But what's cool is it does have that JST connector, so I'm probably gonna go, after my little girl gets plenty of use out of it, I'm probably gonna go and see if I can put 2S in there, but I don't want to fry the ESC, so I don't recommend that, guys. Let's see what this little guy does here. Yeah, it's slow. It's definitely a kid's car. But it is cool that they actually sent 2 batteries. That's what I like. So it's not too bad. It's not bad for kids. You do have to adjust the steering underneath the car. Alright, Emmy, you want to try it? Come here, honey. Let my little girl drive it around. Let her thrash for a little bit. Alright, now my little girl's going to give it a try. Go ahead. Go ahead, sweetheart. Steer it. There you go. Punch it. Give it gas the whole time. And steer it around. There you go. Gotta keep giving it gas. There you go. That's right. Keep going. See if you can get rid of that stick. Let's see if it'll get off of there. Try going backwards. See if you can get it off that way. There you go. Now go forward. Awesome. And I will watch for cars. See, it's just a little kid's car, guys. Nothing too big. I won't make this video very long, but you guys get the point. It's not a bad little car for kids. It's a beginner's. It's only 2-wheel drive. It's going through the rocks. It will get high strung on the bigger rocks, so, and you can't go off into grassy areas, I can tell you that much. So it's more of a street driver, small gravel driveways, stuff like that. So there you go. No, give it gas. You don't need to grab it. Turn it over here. Turn the wheel all the way. There you go. There you go. Now come back. It's their first time really getting to drive a car, so that shows you if you never drove in a RC car, you can do it. She's doing it, so. I didn't set no timer on this, guys, so I'm not sure what time we're gonna get out of this, but it's awesome that the company on Amazon provided 2 batteries for the controller and for the car, so that makes it fun for the kids. Go ahead and press back up. There you go. You'll get out of it. Perfect. There you go. Definitely a perfect beginner car for kids, that's for sure. Kind of wish it was four-wheel drive though. It would help it a little bit, but it's doing okay in two-wheel drive so far in this gravel stuff. So, punch it, baby. There you go. Do some burnout. Alright, sweetheart, what did you think about that little car? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Well, obviously she likes it, so it must be pretty fun. Anyways, guys, I just want to let you know it's definitely a good car for beginners. She likes it. She had fun with it. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can find them on Amazon. And guys, like always, God bless. Cheers and happy driving.